You are at the stall of Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited. We very proudly present ourselves as the ultimate weapon system provider in the country and a true representative of Make in India products. So as the name suggests, ultimate weapon system provider, we are making weapons right from .32 inch revolvers and pistols, then ranging to assault rifles 5.56 and 7.62, then light machine guns, medium machine guns, air defense guns, naval guns, mortars, rocket launchers, artillery guns and tank guns. So what not? So the complete range is covered by AWEIL India Limited, and we are in the service of the nation for equipping our armed forces with state-of-the-art modern weapon systems. As you can see, right behind me is the 52 caliber toad gun, the 155 mm 52 caliber toad, another marvel of Make in India technology by AWEIL India, where we have the Dhanush 52. You are already aware that the Dhanush was the first indigenous gun in the Indian Army of 155 mm bore. So now this is the B52 gun. This is the 52 caliber, which has an increased range of about 42 kilometers. So this is our latest offering at the DEFEXPO.